Hey everybody, I'm going to show you a quick workaround to get your video into Google Drive as an mp4, because I know a lot of people are struggling with trying to get their videos from Screencast to Drive to Classroom. It's taking a long time to process. So I have a video here I made on changing the location of a link bar on Google Sites. I'm going to call this Change Navigation in Sites. There we go. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to X out my little cursor there, and I'm going to click download and click export as mp4, convert to fixed frame rate. Here we go. Now this is going to take just a few minutes to get this done. Okay, I found that this is really a fast way, even though it involves a couple of more steps. There we go. So now I click download mp4. Okay, I'm going to click show in folder. So as you can see now in my Google Drive that we have changed navigation insights located here. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to open up YouTube, upload this video to YouTube, and then copy the URL, open Classroom, and paste it in. I think a lot of you will find that this little workaround saves you a lot of time. Thank you and good luck.